Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a frog using your Rubik's snake cube. First we're gonna bring it back to its original shape, so we can start like you probably want to start. Actually, I think this is quite a difficult figure to create, but we'll just try it and see how it works. So the first step you want to do is divide your hose or your string into two pieces with an angle of 90 degrees. So like this, you've divided it in two with an angle of 90 degrees. Then bring this one up towards you and this one as well. And what you've now done is you've created the head of the frog. So this is the head and this is its body. And you can now start creating the rest of your frog starting with one pair of legs. So you bring this one down like that. Bring it down again. Rotate this so it's underneath that one. And actually what you do, you need this one to rotate like this. So you got it like this now. And you can push this so it matches up with the body of your frog. Then you can bring this down twice and you've created the first half of your frog. And you can just do it the same. You can try to copy it from the other side if you want to. So like this. Bring this one. One moment. Bring this one down like this, I think. Actually, you need like this. Bring it down, rotating this. Bring it up. Oh, almost there. As you can see, you've now connected it. And now bring that one down, creating the front legs of your frog. And actually, as you can see, you've now created your frog. So, hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and see you again next time.